Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're talking tips and tricks for the S22, and it may work for the S21 as well. Now, there are 10 things you must know. Now, I think for every single person watching this video, there will be at least one tip that really makes it worth it for you. So be sure you're sticking around for that one. Okay, so number one, what I love about the S22 is that there are multiple ways to unlock the phone. You can use fingerprint, a PIN number, a swipe, your face, and a password. Go into settings, biometrics, and security. And here you can set up a fingerprint, press face recognition, and then hold the phone to where you typically hold the phone when you unlock it. And that's usually arm length under your chin. Now, when that is done, you can decide if you want to unlock the phone fully when it sees your face, or if you want it to unlock but you have to swipe up to get into your phone. Press done. Now, this gives you more options for face recognition. One option is called faster recognition. If that's on, it will unlock even if it's a picture or video of you. So be careful of that. Now, if you want to turn that off, it'll take a little bit longer to unlock, but at least you'll know it's more secure. You can also add your face again if you have different looks, like you may have different hair or different hair color, different beard, or anything like that. You can add multiple faces of you to get into your phone. Now, I do like to add fingerprints on both hands, so no matter how I'm grabbing the phone, it can still unlock. So add all the fingers you can using this section right here. If you're having a tough time seeing your screen due to being outside in direct sunlight, head into settings, display, and turn on extra brightness. And this will then kick your screen past 100%. It does take more battery, but it works well in short bursts, and it could save you if you're like at the beach or something like that. Also, there is a way to make your screen extra dim, and you can do that from the notification shade. If you're using a screen protector, you may have issues with touch sensitivity. Under display, turn on touch sensitivity. Also, this allows you to work your screen with some gloves too. Another setting I love is going into advanced features, then motion and gestures, and then turn on keep screen on while viewing. When you're reading content or doing anything where you don't touch the screen and you're looking at it, it will stay on past the timeout period. When you stop looking, then it will go back to the normal timeout. If you have an S22 Ultra, here is a setting that I'm not sure why it's not on by default. Head into advanced features, then S Pen, then turn on pin to text. This lets you write in the text box with your S Pen, and then it converts it over to text. It works good if your handwriting is better than mine and you can write small, but I've seen people use this pretty effectively, and I think it's something you should at least try out. So you can modify your side key button, which is the power button, and you can have it do different actions. So by default, if you double tap it, it goes right into your camera mode, or if you hold it down all the way, it then takes you into Bixby. So let's go into settings and change that. You can have it open whatever app you want, but when it comes to holding it down, all you have is Bixby or the power off menu. This is a bonus tip coming from my sponsor DBrand. For less than 20 bucks, you can debrand your device, and what that means is you can make your device look completely different and unique from other people's phones. You can get different textures, different styles, all those things. Hit the links down below to debrand your device. If you're worried about apps listening to you, you could turn off your mic access from your device. Pull down the notification shade, pull it down again, and then go to the far right and press on the plus button. You can add microphone access and camera access. Once you add it to your bar, you can then turn that off at any time. And the cool thing is when you do that, when you launch any app that wants your camera or microphone, it won't show up at all. Your phone doesn't even know it has it anymore. But if you go into the official camera app, then it will ask you to turn the camera back on. This should, in theory, stop apps from listening to you if you think they're listening to you. A few camera tips that can help you take better shots. To take better selfies, I found that adding a timer to your shot prevents accidental shakes. If you raise your palm open, it starts a 2-second countdown as well. If you go into camera settings, shooting method, you can have vocal cues to take pictures or record video. You can say things like smile, cheese, capture, shoot, or record video. If you find your skin is too bright in selfies, then go into camera options and then selfie color tone and change it from bright to natural. Number 9, when you pull your S Pen out and the screen is off, you can instantly start writing on the screen. This is called screen off memo. Screen off memo is super useful when jotting down quick information, and you can also tap the arrow down to go to the next page. Okay, last tip, let's theme your device. So yeah, you can go into themes and find a nice theme if you want. It may cost you a couple bucks. However, I think Samsung does a great job at letting you customize the device yourself without paying any money. So number one, press and hold on the home screen, select wallpaper and style. If you press my wallpapers, then these are all the wallpapers that came with your phone. If you go to download it, these are anything that you downloaded from the Samsung theme store. Gallery, these are any images you have on your device. So a picture you took of your family, of the sky, or anything you downloaded off the internet will be in here. So let's pick a wallpaper from Gallery. If you don't want to spend money on wallpapers, then you can download Zedge and you can get wallpapers from there, or you can just Google free high-res wallpapers. Now select your wallpaper, and then it gives you an option to change the color palette to match the whole phone. So the wallpaper can detect the look and feel of your phone completely, which I think is a really cool way to theme your device. Anyways guys, that's all I have for you today in this video. These are tips and tricks. Hopefully you found just the tip you're looking for. Anyways guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja. I am under the weather once again. I have no voice, but we're pushing through. Talk to you guys later. Peace.